Hello everyone, welcome to Under Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing an MCU theory that Loki's mother is Thor's sister Hela.
Fine.
Loki's mother has never been revealed in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, but it's possible that this character is actually Hela, Thor's biological sister. The first Thor movie revealed that Odin secretly adopted Loki and that Loki's real father is actually the frost giant leader Laufey. His mother, on the other hand, was never shown or mentioned. Thor Ragnarok revealed that Odin's family has even more secrets with the MCU debut of Hela, who served as the movie's main antagonist. It was said that Hela was Odin's first child and a person who helped him oppose their enemies. Hela, who Odin may have intended to become his successor, eventually became a foe of Asgard and tried to take the throne of herself. Following Hela's defeat and imprisonment, Odin did his best to purge her from Asgardian history and also prevented his sons, Thor and Loki, from learning the truth about her existence. In the movie, Hela re-emerged as a threat and managed to challenge Thor in ways that previous villains never could.
Decorating, I see.
Loki's mother in Marvel Comics. Loki's comic book origin story was established all the way back in Journey into the Mystery #112 in 1965. A story about Odin's past put him in conflict with the giants of Jotunheim. During the battle between Asgardians and the giants, Odin killed their leader Laufey in a duel. Afterward, Odin was surprised to discover that Laufey had a child named Loki hidden away in their fortress. He was the size of a normal human or Asgardian boy and was considered a runt by frost giant standards. Though he was warned by one of his men that Loki could become evil, Odin took pity on the boy and decided that since he was a regal prince, son of a kingly father, that he should not be abandoned. For this reason, Odin decided to raise him as Thor's half-brother. Loki doesn't seem to be a full-blood frost giant. In the MCU version of the story, Loki is blue like all the other frost giants when he's found by Odin. But when Odin picks him up, his skin curiously becomes white. Many fans have chalked this up as an illusion created by Odin's power to conceal Loki's true appearance, as Loki's blue skin does reveal itself in a few scenes. Loki's skin color changing could simply be Odin's doing, or the situation may be more complicated. It is at least possible that Loki is not a full-blooded frost giant. If that were the case, that would mean that Loki's size is more than just a genetic rarity. Loki's mother may be of a different rare entirely. Also, Queen Farboti was left out of Loki's MCU origin story, so it does seem plausible that his mother may have not been the same character featured in the comics. The similarities between Loki and Hela. Hela and Loki do share some physical similarities, such as their pale skin and black hair. But what they have in common goes a bit deeper than that. The Thor movies have shown that the villains both have a flair for the dramatic and are capable of weaving powerful spells. In fact, Hela and Loki are among the greatest magic users in the MCU. A deleted scene from the Thor The Dark World confirmed that it was Frigga who trained him, but it may have taken more than just Frigga's training to make him so good at sorcery. After all, Frigga is never shown to be as adept at casting magic spells as Loki.
I'm gonna burn this place to the ground.
How Hela could be Loki's mother. The timeline of events in the history of the MCU doesn't necessarily dispute that Hela could be Loki's mother. Cate Blanchett has said that Hela was imprisoned for 5,000 years, but this hasn't been confirmed as canon in Thor Ragnarok. The exact time was left ambiguous, though it is unknown that she was locked away from at least 1,000 years. Thor is 1,500 years old, so that would put Loki somewhere around that age. Prior to Hela's banishment, she may have met Laufey, had a child with him, and left him to be raised by the frost giants, perhaps because she didn't want her son to be raised by Odin and his people. This would of course mean that Odin raised his grandson as his own child without even realizing it, and that Loki is in fact Thor's biological half-nephew.